All right, so this is the very first stage for J Mart's Halloween Haunt 2023. We've got music and audio going through the yard. We set up Govee lights. We got the permanent Govee outdoor lights that go along the roof line there. We got some down lights that are some hue, Philip Hue lights. And then we got a couple up spotlights that do some blue lights that you can see on the lower section of the bricks and stuff like that. And then over here we got some strip lights that are Govee. So all the stuff that goes with the music is Govee. And we got some outdoor strip lights out here. And then we've got the archway that I've ran some Govee lights as well. So these are the new things that we added for this year's Halloween Haunt. It's gonna be kind of fun. We're gonna tie in, the music light show this year. So here's a little sneak peek as we get ready for 2023, guys. We'll be starting to put out pumpkins and our big inferno guy and all that fun stuff. Oh yeah, and here's a little sneak peek. You see in my office window right there, we got our cool frame window special effects going out there. I'm gonna be building 2 more of those and we'll be putting them on that window and that window. So look forward to all this fun stuff that we're doing for this year's Halloween Haunt. All right, guys, check out my other videos as we get ready.